First of all, he did cite the source and he showed a clip of the original text. Are you familiar with secondhand sources? You, my friend, has done just what you claim that Dr. Hagen has done. You have not given the whole picture either. The fact that the text is post-Christian does not nullify that his sources are pre-Roman Christianity. The 1991 recourse addresses the issue of interpolation, which was very common at that time. It does not declare that Hadrian is wrong, only that later writers may have had the opportunity to tamper with what Hadrian had originally written. You should know that interpolation is a common tactic of European historians, in the Catholic Church too, by the way. When you say that Dr. Hagen was trying to make it seem as though pagans called themselves Christians, it's pure sophistry. Because you are using the very text that you claim Dr. Hagen is misrepresenting to prove your argument. Hadrian does not simply say that people's dabbled in other philosophies. He makes a clear comparison between Serapis worshippers and Christians, and he says they were interchangeable. That's exactly what he said. So when you try to downplay that, I'm sorry, that's an out-flat lie. And Hadrian does not make that assumption as you assume. In fact, Dr. Hagen does demonstrate a strong relation between the two sects. And that by simple deduction, you will find that the Roman Christian movement was a direct spin-off of the worship of Serapis. I think that if you spent less time trying to disprove the obvious and spent more time trying to understand how it came to be, you would be better off. Some things are not meant to be tampered with. How you can try to defend the horrible lie that's been thrown upon mankind by the Roman Catholic Church and diabolical historians to prove a fictitious point is beyond reprehensible. It's just out flat connery, debauchery. It's just an out flat lie. And you, my friend, you should really, really, really be ashamed of yourself.